Malayalam means word. It's not word. It's a name of the dish. A Goan bread. Don't waste time. Let's go to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. To make this Goan bread, we need half cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, combine well. Onto a bowl, 4 grams of yeast. Add the warm water mix. Combine well and set it aside for 10 minutes. Onto a bowl, for 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Onto a sieve, sieve it. Don't throw this one, we need later. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Combine well. Make a well at the center. Add the yeast mix to the center. Combine well. Add water little by a little and make a smooth dough like this. Transfer the mix onto a clean surface and knead it at least 10 to 15 minutes. Make a bowl. Onto the same bowl, add the dough, cover it and rest it. Test the surface with the flour. Remove the dough. Cut it to 8 pieces. Make balls like this by pushing at the center. Test some flour. Gently push the dough. Add more flour and roll it on into a disc size bread. Roll all the bread. Leave it on a tray. Cover with a kitchen towel and rest for 30 minutes. Skillet on a high heat. Add the bread. Don't disturb them. Let them pop up like this. Flip it over and cook the bread. You will get a fluffy bread like this. You can cook this bread in the oven too. The temperature are mentioned. A Goan style pita bread is ready to serve. The bread we made, it's ready. For me, it looks like a pita bread for me. An Indian style pita bread on a whole wheat. It's the first time I made. Let's try it now. I'm trying the bread first. The bread has a lot of flavors, but it's on a drier end. Don't compare with chapati because chapati has softness, but it has the flavor, texture, healthy, but it's a little bit on drier end. Just remember that. That's what I feel with the bread. Let me try with this chicken. With this chicken, it goes nicely. It's a good combination with something on the side. Yes, very nice. And if you're thinking, what chicken is this one? It's a garlic chicken. The recipe is there on my channel. And as I always, you know already, right? When you eat, you enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. And if you like it, please share it to your friends and relatives and comment it. Bye.